Welcome back to another video. We woke up at 3 a.m. I'm with my cousin Nabella. Well, she's technically my cousin, but
we just say that.
Yeah, but
really. We're not sisters. I think you guys thought that. You said, "Are you guys sisters?" in the comments. Are you sisters? No, we're not sisters.
No, but if you haven't liked my video, please, because this is gonna be a scary video. So we woke up at 3 a.m. and we've been hearing noises. I don't know if it's like the dog, the cat. By the way, we make my dog some dog treats and dog's food, water, and smushed it together, guys. It looks disgusting.
Okay,
I'll show you guys.
There's gonna be peanut butter in it and strawberries. We don't get it.
With the cake.
And my phone's dead.
Today,
I broke my charger.
So yeah, today was his birthday. So my mom was my mom's like, oh, well, I had to bake his cake tomorrow, and I'm like, okay.
And we were like,
I was looking for it today, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
So my camera is about to die, guys, but
let's just go downstairs.
I'm doing this, so.
Let's go downstairs.
We've been hearing noises downstairs. I'm really scared because, look, that's dark. So, guys, we're going to go and hopefully that goes.
Then you can call the police.
Bye. So, guys, we came downstairs. I had to, do something to the camera. What was that? What's that? Guys, I don't know. I'm actually gonna get freaked out now. It's coming from out in there. Oh no. Guys, I don't know what to do.
You're not gonna turn around.
Guys, I wear some camera because I'm gonna see what it is.
Right here.
This is Finn, my dog, his birthday boy, but I need to show you the thing. It's in the basement, so I guess we're fine. Oh gosh. What? Guys, all of you guys comment and see if it was funny because I scared my mom's in one of the videos. So comment down below. Come on, let's go. So guys, so this is the thing. It says, can anybody read this? It said, do not touch for the dog face. I'm a dad to him. I did, yeah. Hey guys, and this is the thing. I was going in it's all smushed up and
here, I'll show you. It's like diarrhea inside.
But it's not diarrhea, we swear.
We try to smush it,
but it ended up good because we had water to it. Come on.
Shh. It's turning out pretty good when I smush it.
Yeah, because we want it to be like that. Guys, pause. Guys, I was sorry when it's really good. Smash kind of okay. It's getting really good. So guys, it's getting really good.
But
so
we keep hearing la la la.
So we're gonna go with this back. I don't know where it's coming from. La la. It's good.
You wanna play with me? I'm just a baby.
Let's go. We're gonna run. Come on. What's this stuff? It's coming up the stairs. It's coming up. Guys, go. Come on. That's the dog, Finn. His real name is Finn, but I call him up. Guys, comment down below, Susan. Oh yeah. Okay, so guys,
we heard voices. We heard like la la la.
Yeah, they heard it,
and we heard knocking noises here.
Who's that, girls?
Who's that?
I don't know. If boys are watching this, if it's scaring you guys. Oh, and also, little kids, please don't watch this.
And Lala just farted.
Yeah.
I was trying to attack her, and she was like, I was trying to fart on her face. I'm going to do it right now.
Do it again.
Guys.
So guys, we're gonna
I
pause.
messed up the savage love. This smart break your heart.
And then guys,
Messed up savage love.
she messed up Savage Love because, yeah, do the dance.
You said right, left, and I was like,
No, because it's guys. Hold the camera for a second. Turn it like this way. Guys, you're supposed to go like this. Savage love. Is somebody, or she could do the savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like a nature, but the savage love. When it gives me that in a gift.
and I will put her poop in
Savage
her.
love.
I will put poop in her face.
So guys, I don't know.
If you want to see a Barbie video with all those Barbie stuff, just
Yeah.
comment down below.
Comment down below.
Subscribe and the bell. And what's that noise, girls and boys?
I don't know. Little Testas, don't watch this.
Okay, we just got freaked out. What is that?
I think we need to hide.
No,
It's coming from the attic.
someone at the window. I'm not going.
Go.
I'm not going. I can't go. Because someone was right there. We had to run.
Guys, look at it. He's like, chicken.
Stop it.
Oh, I need to show him
Guys,
this.
well, I think,
It's a volcano.
guys, we're gonna end the video in a couple minutes.
Yeah.
What's the robot? I just heard something move.
That was the guinea pig. That was the dog over the guinea pig.
You have to stop trying to get out of it. You know, a couple more minutes until we can do something fun.
Yeah. Oh, it stopped. It's a prank doll. Guys, look. So as you guys can see, I'll switch up. But guys, this dress is my mom's right here. I'm pretty sure this dress could fit me. Wait, let me see. 7 to 8, that's mine.
And
That's mine. I could wear that to Finn's party. And by the way, it's my dog's birthday tomorrow, so.
I don't live with her. She's not. I don't live with my cousin because I have neighbors that have 8 children, and then I gotta take care of some of the kids.
For real.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So I can't live with Delilah, and I have to go all the way back home. So I get car sick easily. And I have
Yeah,
to
me
take-
too.
And I have to take care of those two little ones, and then I gotta look at the big kids. And then I gotta look at the little kids and the pets and the. Yeah, I have to look at everything.
They have 6 children.